Sonko auma thabari-ini mwena wa Voi riria maabithaa a honge itiganite cia borithi makihuthira ndege mamuhithukiire. Gicanjama giatuthuka Sonko akirega guikio ngono na kuoneka agithima na mayo na maabithaa aya akirega kunyitwo. Hari hindi ona maabithaa ya borithi mekuonekaga magiukanirira na thutha magateithurana o ene o riria mwao mauma mageri-ini ma gwikira Sonko macegera. Mwisho Sonko ona ndari na kahinya kangi gatigaru na etikira ati yarundwo ndiregaga ruoro na hau atwarwo ndege-ini ya borithi iria ikumwetereire o ikirurumaga kibiririki kiayo gitekuhora. Hindi ino yothe ugitiri ukurumitio na njira nene ni maabithaa borithi wabici-ini cia EACC guku Nairobi megetete kung'ethanira na nyanake iria ihuthagirwo ni Sonko iria itauma haraihu na wabici ino na no minyonyo ikuhuraga imwe cie maguru na ingi ikihuthira ngari cia Sonko cia gikundi giake kiria augaga ni kia uhonokania. Sonko agiikio ngono thutha wa mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Haji gwathana aikirio ngono na athitangirwo ungumania.
And upon receiving and independently reviewing the investigation file, I have found sufficient evidence to warrant prosecution, and I have therefore ordered for the immediate arrest and arraignment in court of the Governor of Nairobi, Honorable Mike Sonko.
Sonko acokire gukinyio kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Wilson ruhonge rwa borithi na akiuma kiharo ekurigiceirio ni maabithaa a borithi. Kuma hau aikio ngari-ini ya borithi iria ikumwetereire o arigiceirio ni maabithaa a borithi na matuma thabari ya guthie wabici cia commission ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC.
Mr. Sonko, anything you would like to say?
Imwe kwa imwe thabari yerekera barabara-ini ya Lang'ata igithie mwena wa tauni yagira hakuhi na kiharo kia Nyayo abatirio barabara-ini ya Bunyala guthie Upper Hill agererio kianda kia ubaruthi wa wabici cia Ngeretha kinyagia barabara-ini ya Haile Selassie mabatira hakuhi na wabici cia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na imwe kwa imwe mathie kinyagia wabici-ini cia EACC. Sonko uria gugakinyio igoti-ini muthenya wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite mari na angi arugamiirio thitango 8
and other persons for the crimes of conflict of interest arising from having received monies from the county of Nairobi while serving as governor, unlawful acquisition of public property, money laundering and other economic crimes. Investigation into these crimes have been challenging because of the repeated attempts by the accused to obstruct the course of the investigations by deploying intimidation tactics in addition to using goons to
Haduine Hainoro TV kuma guku Nairobi njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.